Can you do this? Can you do this? Hot dog, hit hot dog. Hot dog, hit hot steamies. They're actually called steamies. It's a true story. Hey folks, I'm Matt from Fidel Gastros, and July has a lot of holidays. There's Canada Day, Memorial Day. Think those are the highlights? No, no, no. International Hot Dog Month. That's right. So I thought, what better way to celebrate than to show you two epic hot dog recipes. Not only the recipes, they answer a huge age-old question: is a hot dog a sandwich? Well, normally I'd say no, except for today, because I'm going to show you how to make Philly cheesesteak hot dogs and Cubano sandwich hot dogs. Let's grill! First, preheat your barbecue to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, place 2 cast iron skillets directly on the grill and lightly grease the pans with canola oil. Close the barbecue and let the skillets get hot for about another 10 minutes. Place sliced onions in your Philly cheesesteak skillet and let them cook for about 4 minutes, then add your thinly shaved beef to the same skillet and let that meat sear and cook off for about another 4 to 5 minutes. Then place your hot dogs directly on the hottest part of the grill. Cook for about 4 minutes, rotate, and cook for another 4 minutes. Once your dogs start cooking, place the Cuban shaved pork in the second skillet and top it with bread and butter pickles. Now it's time to add your cheese. Cover the shaved pork with spicy HAVARTI and the beef and onions with provolone cheese. To build your Cubano, take your bun and spread yellow mustard inside. Then add 2 hot dogs and transfer the shaved pork and melted HAVARTI from the skillet directly on top. Garnish it off with some shoestring chips. To build your cheesesteak dog, fill your bun with 2 hot dogs, stuff them with hot cherry peppers, then top the dogs with grilled steak and onions and the melted provolone cheese and garnish with chopped chives. Well, there you have it, folks. 2 kinds of hot dogs for International Hot Dog Month, the Cubano and the Philly cheesesteak. Let me know what you think. Is this finally the end of the debate? Are hot dogs sandwiches or sandwiches hot dogs? Which one? Thanks so much. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and crush a dog this July because it'll crush you right back. Hot dog!